Well, in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can start your own successful dropshipping business in 2024. If you are new to my channel, my name is Saklan and started my first dropshipping store in 2017, which generated over $1 million in revenue in less than a year. Now the time has changed and most people are using organic traffic instead of paid ads. Now you have to find a winning product and market your product in a way that lands in sales. So I have structured the video that is easy to understand if you are just starting out your dropshipping business. So first we will talk about how we can find a winning product, from where we can find the suppliers of our product. After we have found our product, how we can build our store, and then how we can pre-launch our store by ordering the few sample and creating the videos of our product. And while our pre-launch is in progress, how we can build our store, and at the end how to market our store to generate sales. We have also created a step-by-step guide for you to start your own dropshipping business, and you can check the link in description. Alright, so our first step is to find a winning product, and there are plenty of ways which you can use to find a winner, like checking the Google Trends, keeping an eye on other stores which are selling the products at their time, and also by checking the different ad creatives of your competitor. For me, I follow the different criteria to find the winning product for my store, and there are plenty of other things which you have to follow to find those winning products, like which specific problem your product is going to solve, at how much price your competitors are selling this product, on which platform they are advertising that product, which is your targeted audience once you are going to sell this product. So if I give you an example of myself, I find a product which was solving a problem. So I simply tested few engagement ads on Facebook, and most of the people I find out who want to buy that product were parents. And these were all the parents who were looking to buy that product to gift their children on specific occasions like birthdays, Christmas, and Halloween. So keeping an eye on your competitor to find a winning product is a one way, and the other way is to check the trending products in the market. You can check those trending products on TikTok, on Facebook ads, or through Amazon, and you can also check the comment or review section what people are saying about that product. So your product should have a unique selling point. So by adding a unique selling point to your product, you will stay out of competition. Like my product, which I scaled to almost $70,000 in sales, I added free pillowcases with duvet cover and give an option to customize that product, and that was a unique selling point for my product which my competitors were not offering. And you can also choose Google Trends to find what people are searching, and also which keywords are trending at that time. If you are looking to find winning products on Amazon, you can use Amazon bestseller section, or you can use other tools like Keepa and Helium 10. Mania is the tool which I have been using, and this is the best tool to find those winning products. You can also use this tool to keep an eye on your competitors, and this tool will help you to keep an eye on their ad creatives. Once you have found a product, next step is to find a supplier for that product, and there are plenty of websites which you can use to find the supplier, like AliExpress, Amazon, eBay, Zendrop, and if you are looking for a US supplier, you can use Pocket. Now finding a supplier is the most crucial part, and you have to look which supplier can get you the best prices, and also you have to look which supplier is most convenient and can ship your order much faster. So if you are going to find a supplier on AliExpress, you have to check the rating of that supplier, and you can check those ratings by going into supplier page, and you can also read them through inbox and can ask them if they provide drop shipping and how much time it will take to ship your orders. But if you are looking for much faster time, you can use local websites and local suppliers in your area. Like if I talk about Pocket and Zendrop, they mostly have US suppliers which ship the product directly from their US warehouses. So in that way, your product will be delivered much faster to your customer, and your returning customer rate will be higher. You can also order few sample of your product from your supplier and can check the quality of your product. And you can also order few sample of your product from Amazon as well. In that way, you will be able to check the quality and packaging of your product. Now once you have found a product and you have found a supplier, before building your store, I would recommend you to start a pre-launch of your website. And you can pre-launch your product before building your Shopify store. By doing this, you will be able to collect plenty of emails from your customers who will be waiting for your product to launch. And there are plenty of merchants who have been doing this for so long, and they sold their all inventory in less than 24 hours. So to pre-launch your website, the first step is to build the creative of your product. And once you have ordered the samples, you can build creatives. So for creatives of my product, the company which I have been using for many years is Viral Ecom Ads, and you can use these guys' website to order the creative of your product. You can also create TikTok ads, you can also order Facebook ads. There are also few examples of creatives which they have already created for their clients, and you can also implement those creatives as a test for your organic ads on TikTok and for paid ads on Facebook. They have very fast turnaround time and can deliver your order within 24 hours. And by using these guys' creatives, I have seen a spike in conversion rate on my store. I have mentioned the link and discount code in description. Make sure to check them out. Now once you have got the creatives of your product, the next step is to build a home page to collect emails from your customers for your pre-launch. And there are plenty of apps in Shopify which you can use to send email to your customers like OmniSend or ConvertKit. And this is the method which many of the beginners are not using and they are leaving the money on table. So now once the pre-launch of your store is ready, now you can put creatives on social media to drive traffic to that page. And meanwhile, you will take some time to complete designing of your store. And on the other hand, you are collecting emails from your customers through pre-launch. So if you want to build a complete store from scratch, I have already made a video about that, how you can design a logo and banner for your store, or you can build a stunning homepage for your website. You can check the link of that video in description or anywhere above that video. After the design of your store is completed, you can simply unlock your store and your customers will be able to place orders. Now you can drive traffic from your email list to your store. In that way, you will be able to make plenty of sales on your launch day. If you are a beginner, I would recommend to start from organic marketing. And you can do this by creating the viral content and creatives of your product on TikTok. Now the times have gone where you run the Facebook paid ads to generate sales on your Shopify store. Viral content and TikTok videos are top trending nowadays. And you will only make sales if your creatives are best than your competitors. I would also recommend you to start from one product store and later on you can expand in your niche. Now if you are a beginner, there are a few questions which will be coming to your mind, like why customers will buy from our store rather than AliExpress or other websites. So in most of the cases, customers who are looking to buy products online, they prefer to buy from local businesses. These platforms also tend to show local business ads or creatives to their audience. And the second major reason is the payment gateways. If your store is using local payment gateways which are provided in that country, the customer will prefer to buy from you rather than overseas businesses. And second most frequently asked question is what will happen to refunds. So any of those suppliers who are drop shipping products for you, if customer has a complaint or would like to return the item, your supplier give an option to resend the order to your customer. And if your customer would not like to get the product, you can simply ask your customer to get the full refund. They can simply discard the item or they can keep it. And you can claim those refunds with your supplier. So if you're a beginner, I hope this video has provided you much value to start your own dropshipping business. And if you like my content, please like the video and subscribe the channel to boost in algorithm. And if you would like to get a free ebook about Shopify guide, you can check the link in description. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. I hope you had a great day.